Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Hello friends, today I am Seema Pawan Bojiwar presenting for you class 8 subject English workshop of the Little River. वर्कशॉपला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी पाहूया थोडेसे कवितेविषयी. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांची द लिटल रिव्हर ही कविता. यात त्यांनी उन्हाळ्यातील नदीचे वर्णन केलेले आहे, म्हणूनच द लिटल रिव्हर. उन्हाळ्यात नदीला पाणी फार तर गुडघ्यापर्यंत असते, त्यामुळे गायी, इतर जनावरे, गाड्या ती सहज पार करून जाऊ शकतात. वळणे घेत घेत ती वाहत असते. पाणी कमी असल्यामुळे किनाऱ्यावर चिखल नसतो, पण त्यातील वाळूही उन्हामुळे चमकते. किनाऱ्यावर पांढरी फुले असणारे गवत वाढते, त्यात मैनेचे गाणे, रात्रीला कोल्ह्याची कोल्हेकुई असे दृश्य आपणास पाहावयास मिळते. किनाऱ्यावरील वाढलेल्या आंब्याच्या आणि ताडाच्या झाडाच्या सावलीमध्ये पुजारी राहतो. त्याचप्रमाणे मुले मुली तिथे आंघोळ करतात. त्यांनी आणलेल्या टॉवेलने पाणी उडवत ते पाण्यात चालतात. सकाळी किंवा सायंकाळी आंघोळ झाल्यानंतर आपले कपडे पाण्यात बुडवून लहान मासे पकडतात. घरातील कामे झाल्यावर स्त्रिया परत येतात, वाळूने भांडे स्वच्छ करतात. मग आषाढ महिना. आषाढ महिन्यात ढग जमा होतात, पाणी वाढते, जोराने वारा वाहतो, पाण्याचा प्रवाह देखील वाढतो. पुन्हा एकदा सर्वत्र चैतन्य निर्माण होते, उत्साह संचारतो आणि सर्व लोक त्या पावसाचा आनंद घेतात. चिट-चॅट क्वेश्चन्स. सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी जर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलेले नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करून बेल आयकॉनला टच करा. व्हिडिओला लाईक शेअर करा. Question 1. What did you notice on the banks of the river? On the banks of the river, we noticed some birds, some domestic animals, river sand, some trees. Children are playing and some are bathing near the bank, and some women were washing their clothes. Question 2. In which season did you go? Was the river flow gushing or gentle? We went to the picnic in the rainy season. The river flow was gushing in those days. Question 3. Did you notice other people by the river? What were they doing? Yes, there are some picnickers and other people. Some were enjoying the picnic, some were swimming in the river, some were fishing, and some women were washing clothes by the river. Question 4. What should we do to make sure that rivers do not get polluted? We should not allow people to wash their clothes and utensils in the river. We should ban throwing household and industrial waste in the river. Let's start workshop. Question number 1A. Name the following from the poem. Trees, mango, palm. Animals, cow, jackal. Season, summer and rainy. Non-English words. Ashad, gamcha. Different times of the day, dusk and dawn. Pick from the poem words that describe sounds. Chirping of myna, jackal's hall, babbling sounds, torrent swills. Pick out words that describe the flow of the river water. Meanders, strong current, inspect, muddy torrent. Find out 5 lines from the poem that contains the figure of speech alliteration. Underline the initial sound of word repeated in each of the lines. And cows and cats can cross with A's. Co sound is repeated. No sign of slime, the sands shine bright. So sound is repeated. Girls and boys bath close to the bank. B sound is repeated. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, D sound is repeated. They deep wash cloth to trap small fish. T sound is repeated. Pick out 4 lines that contains the figure of speech onomatopoeia. Chirping myna through that sight. The jackal's howl is heard there at night. The air is rife with babbling sounds. As the muddy torrent swills along, chirping, howl, babbling, swills are the sounds. Rearrange the words in alphabetical order. Summer, sign, slime, sand, shade, steer, score, sound, swill, strong. The correct order: sand, score, shade, sign, slime, sound, steer, strong, summer, and swill. Number 2. Banks, blossom, boys, bath, babbling. The correct order: babbling, banks, bath, blossom, and boys. Number 3. These, though, to, throng, there, they, trap, torrent. The correct order: there, these, they, though, throng, to, torrent, trap. Question number 4. What aspects from the poem do the following phrase describe? Their cool shade describes the cool shade of mango and palm groves. Only knee deep describes the water in the river which is only knee deep during summer. Not too steep describes that both the banks of river which are not very steep. Housework on the river bank describes household work of wives. Inspect describes river's flood. Rife with sound describes the air. Question number 5. The poem describes 2 different pictures of the river in summer and in rainy season. Write down 4 points of contrast in the changing scene of the river. In summer, the little river water only knee deep. In monsoon, flooded river. In summer, meanders along. In monsoon, current grows strong. In summer, banks not too steep. In monsoon, water rises, torrent swills along. In summer, no sign of slime, sands shine bright. In monsoon, the village stir to life, people celebrate rain. Question number 6. Guess who I am? I always run, I never walk, I often murmur but never talk. I have a bed but never sleep. I have a mouth but hardly eat. I love to fall but I can't climb up. Guess who I am? Please don't give up. I am river. Try to translate the above riddle in your medium of instruction in the poetic form. मी तर नेहमी धावतच असते, कधीच चालत जात नसते. खूपदा कुजबुजत असते, बोलत मात्र केव्हाच नसते. मऊ बिछाण्याची जमीन असते, पण झोप कधी माहीतच नसते. मुख तर मला असतेच असते, पण खाणे कधी होतच नसते. वरून कोसळायची हौस असते, पण वरती चढणे शक्यच नसते. ओळखा पाहू मी कोण, सोडून देऊ नका पण. So friends, thanks for watching my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel, comments and share.